We are car shopping. For me,
So
for me. We're car shopping. Let's get it, let's get it.
How have you luck for you?
Look at this baby. So cute. Can't afford that, no. Popcorn? I want popcorn. So cute.
This is how you open the door.
Wow.
What do you mean?
I just test drove the Elantra. That one. How's my driving?
Good, but you're parking on
I like that one. It is nice and smooth. We are now at Mazda. I really like the first one. It was white and it was 2016. And I don't know, let's see what they got here. I know, it's cold now. Mazda, that's what I have right now, so I might like it. I bought this one. Yep, I bought the convertible. Cruising in the 6 with my, what is it? No, I don't remember. I gotta watch Fredo Compton again.
The volume's here.
This is cute. I have my little Barbie car, guys. Except it's black. Did I buy it? Guess you'll find out. Oh, that's like a, no, that's...
That's probably for an iPhone.
Oh, yeah, that's a...
That's probably for an iPhone.
Ooh, I like it. Ooh. Okay, I want this one now.
Wow, but
We look good in it. I know, I want to test drive this one. Look at it, it's pretty cool. And it's blue. Does it come in yellow for sunshine?
Ew. No.
What? What do you mean?
This thing's like in the middle of my back.
That's the headrest.
Move it up.
I like. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Very nice. Which one will it be? I just bought a car! Look what they're gonna do for me. Oh, they're waiting for me. Ready for tennis? Are you ready for this? I'm gonna video it and everything. This is my first car.
Make sure we catch the announcement. We'll do it all in real life.
Do you want me to videotape you?
Mazda 3?
Yeah.
Mazda 3 Sport.
Mazda 3 Sport.
Okay, yeah. Yay me! Yeah, look, I'm videoing it!
Yeah! Come on, everybody! Let's get together! Let's go!
I'm so shy. Woo! Yay! Thank you. With mommy. Look, she's wearing my shoes. They look good on you though. I don't know, it just feels like it smells inside. Why are you going behind the counter? You don't work here. Oh, cute. Look, I'm vlogging.
Are you? Oh my god, I hear her soda. I heard Mom say Savannah.
What's here? Just look here. Who are you supposed to be? You're so, oh, that looks great with your lashes. This is hilarious. What?
Kiss Lola. Kiss Lola. Oh. Kiss Lola.
Bless.
Kiss Lola.
It was so scary because your mouth is like moving.
Kiss Lola. Kiss Lola. I'm so hungry.
Ew.
No!
The parting ceremony for my Mazda. Bye, girl.
We didn't even name her.
Bessie. Bessie. Bye. Bye, Bessie. You got
Let's get you places.
We're saying bye.
Bye, Bessie.
Peace!
This is my car. Hey, look, I got balloons. Everybody meet Mica. She's gonna have a nice license plate. Ah.